like Emmanuella.
My name is Elizabeth. Now, we're going to be teaching you how to use a laptop. First, if you want to use a laptop, you on enter. I need to show the screen. Sometimes, you always show passwords, like if you have a password in your laptop. But we'll block our password so you can sign in. Now, let's teach you how to use a laptop. Let's assume if you want to on like pictures, you want pick. You see pictures, plenty pictures. Now you can see pictures, Instagram. You can see Instagram pictures. Now this was my baby picture when I was like a baby. All those things, you can see everything from the laptop. Let's assume now in photo director you want to
Slideshow. This is the thing I always make. This thing you can make slideshows, any slideshows for your family. You just use your family pictures and make your slideshow.
Then you on your slideshow. Then your picture you on imports. Let's look for imports.
What does not import? You exit.
Now let's assume you want to watch a video. The slideshow you made will make a video for you. This is now a new title.
This is my family slideshow. But we are not done doing the slideshow.
Let's assume if you want to make more.
If you want to make more,
The thing you do is that
you maybe you put your family photos. So
you will not put your family photos.
Increase the brightness. How do you increase the brightness?
Increase the brightness, you tap it like this. Then when you want to decrease it, you tap this
to decrease the brightness.
Now, if you want, but we want to increase it. Now, if you want to increase the volume, you on this. If you want to decrease it, you on this. Let's assume you want to delete a message. This is a messenger. This is messenger. If you want to type a message to somebody, now you want to send a message to Mrs. Tolupo, Mrs. Tope. She'll send a message. She has already sent a message. See, insert videos downloader. That's what you download. Now this is tunes. If you want to send a message, you want to delete a message, you want backspace. You backspace what you are done. Then you can type a new message if you want, like the best day ever. The best day ever. You enter it. Just on it. Then you on it back again. You see that it has already sent.
So you on this.
You see now, it has already disappeared from mid-hair. That's how you always do in Messenger. Now, let's assume now you want to play video game, and you don't know where you start from. You don't know where you start from. You don't know how to on video game, and you want to do video game. You on video game. You write the game, the name of the game, or you search for the game using this. This is the game. This is the game. Sorry. This is the game. This is the game of the thing you want to search. Microsoft Word. This is the game. You want to play the game now. Assuming you want to play the game, and you don't have data. You don't want to use data at all. There's no data on the laptop. You want to play as a guest. You can on the game you want to play. You cannot play the game. Sometimes
You go off.
but you can still do everything. Now, this is a Microsoft Wi-Fi FAX. What is a Microsoft Wi-Fi? Microsoft Wi-Fi is a service that provides paid internet access at popular
Wi-Fi locations such as hotels, airports, and
conference center, as long as you are in the country in which you bought Microsoft Wi-Fi. You can get connected at any location, which is part of our network. In Windows 10, how can I tell if there are Microsoft Wi-Fi near me? Somebody asked that question. Now, let me answer that question. First, you select the Wi-Fi icon at the far right of the taskbar. If Microsoft Wi-Fi is available in the area, a network will appear in the list of Wi-Fi network names with the word "Buy Wi-Fi" from the Windows stores underneath it. Then you will now do the rest things you need to do. Now, we are done with the show. Please subscribe to our channel.